Hello fellow gardeners, want to grow amazing plants? Starting from seeds is a great adventure. It's like magic, seeing tiny seeds turn into beautiful flowers and tasty veggies. Don't worry if you're new to this. Starting seeds indoors is easy and fun. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's turn your home into a haven for happy little seedlings. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's get started. Starting seeds indoors is brilliant for beginners. Why? Because you control everything. Inside, your seeds are safe from nasty weather and hungry pests. You choose the perfect time to plant. This gives your seeds a super strong start. Plus, imagine the joy of watching them grow before your very eyes. It's truly rewarding. Now let's talk tools. Don't worry, you don't need anything fancy. First, you'll need seed trays or small pots. These are like little nurseries for your seeds. Next, grab some seed starting mix. It's light and fluffy, perfect for tiny roots. A watering can with a gentle spout is essential. We don't want to drown our little seedlings, do we? Lastly, a sunny windowsill will be your seedling's new best friend. See? Simple things can make a big difference. Section 4. Sowing the seeds of success. Now for the fun part, planting. Fill your pots with the seed starting mix, leaving a bit of space at the top. Make a small hole in the center of each pot. How deep? Check your seed packet, it will tell you. Pop 1 or 2 seeds into the hole and gently cover them with the mix. Give them a good watering with your gentle watering can. Don't overdo it, just make the soil moist. Place your pots on your sunny windowsill and watch them grow. See? Easy peasy. Section 5. Extra tips for abundant growth. Want even better results? Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Think of a damp sponge. Once your seedlings sprout, give them a little fertilizer. It's like giving them a healthy snack. If your windowsill isn't very sunny, you can use grow lights. They act like sunshine for your plants. Remember, patience is key. Every seed grows at its own pace. Section 6. Time to grow. Starting seeds indoors is a rewarding journey. You'll be amazed by the magic of nature unfolding right before your eyes. Remember, every gardener starts somewhere. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. The most important thing is to enjoy the process. Now go forth and grow something amazing. Happy gardening!